since Unreal Engine 5.2, they've broken the mesh painting on spline meshes. I'm not sure when that'll be fixed or if they have other plans. But the easy way around it is, and it is very easy, and I have documentation on this, which is what I wanted to show you. For example, if you're looking at the realistic customizable roads marketplace page here, and you scroll down, you can see here's all the videos. There's 2.4, which I'm making now. How to shorts. Right here is UE 5.2 plus mesh paint method documentation. And if I clicked read more, it would show the description of the roads. But if I were to click that, it takes you to this quick 3-step instructional on the new way to mesh paint with your spline mesh. So the trick is, move that out of the way. The trick is we can use this one right here. What you would do is you select the whole spline mesh piece. You would position it as you wanted. So let's say I've positioned this and I'm happy with it. Then I would go to Actor, and I'll do this slow because I know it's frustrating when people rush through these and you can't see what they clicked. Then I will go to Merge Actors. Then I will select Merge Actor Settings. Click on that, and you'll see that it shows all of the individual sections that comprise the spline mesh. And this is the important part. I will click Replace Source Actors right here. Right here. What that'll do is replace the position of the spline mesh with the static mesh version that it's going to create. So it'll just swap it out for you perfectly placed. So we'll go ahead and click on Merge Actors. And you can tell it to save it wherever you want. I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'll just hit Save. Now this is a static mesh. Go ahead and close that. You'll see that it's changed, right? There's the spline points aren't here anymore. It's actually one giant static mesh piece. Same resolution. Alright, now we can paint it. So I'll go up to Selection Mode, and I'll go to Mesh Paint Mode, right there. Select my piece, switch to Paint, and just for a quick example, here's red. That is changing. Let me do something more obvious. There's the green, so I'm lightening it. Back out, maybe more obvious there. See? Alright, this will be really obvious. Blue. So I'll go ahead and put a giant puddle there. And that's the trick to mesh painting in the latest versions of Unreal Engine 5, or at least since 5.2. If this changes, I'll make a video letting you guys know, and I'll perhaps mention it on the product page. So thank you again. I appreciate all of you, and I look forward to seeing you at the next update.